guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a sinking funds update, and in this video we are swapping out bills. We're gonna put a 1K slip if need be, and also we're gonna see how much change, how much progress we made in just 1 month. So if you guys want to see how much I saved or spent, then stay tuned. Alright, so you guys already know we always start off with our monthly expense tracker, and we pull out the amounts that I spent out of each category. So we're gonna start off with gifts. $29.15 plus $100 equal $129.15 that we're gonna be pulling out of gifts. Alright, so it should be in this binder. Alright, so let's take $130 out. So 50, 120, 25, 30. Okay, so we have $10 left in gifts. Okay, so let me check that off. Alright, so next is family time, and I did take some money out of family time already, so I still gotta fund some other amounts. So let me grab my family time envelope. Alright, let me calculate the total. So $60 plus $168.74 equal $228.74. So you guys already know I'm gonna round that up to 230. 1, 2, 10, 20, 25, 30. So that's all the money that's left out of family time. So we starting fresh with family time. Okay, and next is drip, and I spent $58.74. So 20, 40, 60. Back to school. Lanisha had a book fair, so I gave her $20. $10, $15, $20. Okay. Alright guys, so that's all that we spent out of my sinking funds in March. So let's get right into our sinking funds update. Alright, so starting off with my Clear Sparkles binder, Lanisha started the month off at $6,970. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, $100. 100, 2, 3, 4, $500. So I'm gonna put in a $500 placeholder. So that $500 right here is going to the bank in her savings account, and this is the $500 placeholder that I'll be putting in her envelope. Okay, so Lanisha has 5, 6,000, 5, 7,000, 50, 70. So Lanisha has $7,070. Yes. So that is positive $100. I mean, yeah, I could put a $1,000 placeholder in here. Swap these two $500 placeholder for a $1,000 slip. But I like the $500 slip, so I'm just gonna leave it in her envelope for now. Okay, next is my son Jaden, and Jaden started the month off at $6,775. 5, 10, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, so Jaden has 5, 6,000, 5, 6, 7, 850, 75. So $6,875, and that is positive 100. Okay, family time. We start the month off at $455, and we have a 0 in my family time envelope, so that is a negative $455. Drip, we start the month off at $75, so we have 50, 65, so $65, and that is a negative $10. Okay, on to my emergency fund binder. Okay, so my cash emergency fund, we started the month off at $2,000 and we ended it off at $2,000 still. So that is $0 change. Okay, so home emergency fund, we start the month off at $8,825. So I believe we need a $500 slip in here as well. So 5, 10. I'm gonna switch these out for a $10 bill. And let's go to the hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $500. And I'm gonna get a $500 slip. Okay, so here's the $500 placeholder. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 5, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 50. Okay, so we have a $9,450. So let's see how much change that is. That is positive $625. And so let me actually change 20, 40, 50 for a 50 banknote. Okay, so next is car emergency fund, and we started the month off at $1,720. So I actually want to buy my fiance a car part, so I might be using up this $1,000 that's in the bank. We'll see. So we have 1,500, 6, 700, 2040. So 1,740 in my car emergency fund, and that is positive $20. Next is my health emergency fund, and we started off at 810. So we have, let's change these two tens for a $20 bill. So we have 5, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40. So 840 in health, and that is positive $30. Okay guys, on to my pink binder. Okay, so on to Christmas. We started off at $195. So let's exchange some bills. 50, 70, and 90, 100. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 20, 45. So 245 in Christmas, and that is positive, what is it, $50? I believe so. Alright, and next is back to school. We started the month off at $10 and we have $0 in there. So that is a negative $10. Okay, invest. I don't count invest, my invest envelope. So this $20 is going to my stocks. Okay, next is gifts, and we start the month off at $15. And let's see how much we have left. So we have $10 in gifts. So that is a negative $5. Wait, my bad. Negative 5. Okay, last is my 52-week savings challenge. We started the month off at $1,455. I don't think I contribute any money into my savings challenge this month, but let's just see. Let's just count. I might have not. I forgot. Actually, I did. So we're gonna need to get another $500 slip. So 50, 100, 2, 3, 4, $500. $1,000, 500, so 1,500, 20, 40. So we have 1,540 in my 52-week savings challenge, and I believe that is positive $85. All right. So let's see how much total progress we made in the month of March. Okay, so we ended the month off at $29,835. So that is positive $535. Alright guys, so before we end this video, you guys already know I always count the money that we are depositing to the bank. So let's see how much we are depositing to the bank this time around. Alright, so I'm gonna piece this up real quick. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is $1,000. 1, 2, 3, 50, 4, 50, 500. So we have 1,500 right now. 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 840, 840, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 880, 85, 90, 95, $900. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, so we are depositing $1,960. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.